Ever dreamt of a project management tool that wouldn't break the bank? Especially when you're just starting out or on a tight budget. The struggle is real. You need something to keep your team organized, on track, and hitting deadlines. But forking over a hefty subscription fee just isn't an option. Well, fret no more, my fellow project management warriors, because today we're diving deep into the world of ClickUp and specifically their free plan. We'll crack open the hood and see exactly what ClickUp offers for absolutely no cost. Now, the big question on everyone's mind: how many people can you actually squeeze into this free ClickUp plan? Can you build a project management empire with just free tools? Buckle up, because this might surprise you. The power of free. ClickUp's free forever plan. ClickUp breaks the mold when it comes to free project management tools. Unlike many competitors that limit you to a handful of users, ClickUp throws the doors wide open with their free forever plan. That's right, unlimited members and guests. You heard that correctly. There's no cap on how many people you can collaborate with on your projects. This is a game changer, especially for small businesses, freelancers, or even student groups working on a semester-long project. You can bring your entire team on board, from interns to seasoned veterans, without worrying about hitting a user limit and needing to upgrade. What can you actually do with ClickUp for free? So, ClickUp gives you unlimited users, but what about features? Can you actually get any real work done with the free plan? Absolutely. Here's a taste of what ClickUp's free plan packs. Multiple workspaces. Organize your projects into dedicated workspaces. Think of them as separate folders for different clients, departments, or even personal projects. Lists and tasks. The bread and butter of project management. Create detailed task lists, assign them to team members, set due dates, and track progress. Subtasks. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. This keeps projects organized and ensures everyone knows exactly what needs to be done. Chat and comments. Keep the communication flowing within your team. Discuss tasks directly within ClickUp, eliminating the need for endless email chains. Real-time activity feed. Stay up to date on what's happening across your projects. See who's working on what, where updates have been made, and keep everyone on the same page. Kanban boards. Visualize your workflow with Kanban boards. Drag and drop tasks between different stages, giving you a clear picture of project progress. Gantt charts. Plan and track your project timelines with Gantt charts. See how tasks are interconnected and identify potential bottlenecks. Mobile apps. Take your project management on the go with ClickUp's mobile apps for iOS and Android. Integrations. Connect ClickUp with your favorite tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack for a seamless workflow. Are there any limitations with the free plan? While the free plan is incredibly generous, it's important to understand its limitations. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Storage. The free plan comes with 100 megabytes of storage per workspace. This might be sufficient for basic projects, but for teams working with large files, it might fill up quickly. Automation. Automation is a powerful feature that allows you to streamline repetitive tasks. However, it's limited in the free plan. Mind maps. Mind maps are a great way to brainstorm and organize ideas. Unfortunately, they're not available in the free plan. Advanced reporting. Gaining deep insights into your project performance requires advanced reporting features, which are reserved for paid plans. So, when should you consider upgrading? ClickUp's free plan is a fantastic starting point for many teams. But as your projects grow more complex, or your team expands, you might find the limitations becoming restrictive. Here are some signs it's time to consider upgrading. Storage crunch. Constantly hitting the storage limit with your free 100 megabytes? Upgrading unlocks more storage space. Automation needs. Do you crave the power of automation to streamline repetitive tasks? Paid plans offer more robust automation capabilities. Advanced features. Looking to delve into features like mind maps, advanced reporting, or custom integrations? You'll need to upgrade for those. Larger teams. While the free plan offers unlimited users, managing a very large team might require features like custom permissions and guest controls. ClickUp's free forever plan stands out with its unlimited user capabilities. This makes it a fantastic option for small teams, startups, or personal projects where collaboration is key. However, storage limitations, lack of advanced features, and limited user permission control on the free plan might necessitate an upgrade for more complex projects. Ultimately, ClickUp offers a compelling free plan that breaks the mold in project management software. Whether you're a small team just starting out or a group of friends planning the ultimate block party, ClickUp gives you the tools to collaborate effectively, all for free. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.